4D printing is an emerging technology related to 3D printing, but with an added dimension: time. In 4D printing, objects are created using 3D printing techniques, and these objects have the ability to self-transform, self-assemble, or respond to external stimuli over time, often in response to environmental conditions or changes. The fourth dimension in 4D printing is the time factor, as objects change shape or properties after they have been printed. Key characteristics and concepts of 4D printing include: 1. Material properties. 4D printed objects are typically constructed from materials that have special properties, such as shape memory alloys or polymers that can change shape when exposed to heat, moisture, light, or other environmental factors. 2. Self-assembly. 4D printed objects can be designed to self-assemble or self-repair after printing. This property can be useful for creating complex structures that are challenging to build through traditional manufacturing methods. 3. Responsive to stimuli. 4D printed objects can respond to external stimuli or changes in their environment. For example, a 4D printed structure could change shape in response to changes in temperature or humidity. 4. Complex structures. 4D printing allows for the creation of intricate and complex structures that can adapt or transform as needed. This has applications in various fields, including engineering, medicine, and architecture. 5. Potential applications. The technology is being explored for a wide range of applications, including adaptive materials, smart textiles, biomedical devices, and infrastructure that can respond to changing conditions. 6. Design and simulation. Designing 4D printed objects requires a thorough understanding of the materials used and how they will respond to different stimuli. 7. Ongoing research. 4D printing is an evolving field, and research is ongoing to improve materials, design methods, and applications. Innovations in materials science and 3D printing technology continue to drive advancements in 4D printing. 4D printing holds the potential to revolutionize various industries by enabling the creation of adaptable, self-assembling, and shape-changing structures and materials. This technology has the potential to reduce waste, simplify manufacturing processes, and lead to more sustainable and efficient solutions in fields such as construction, healthcare, and consumer products. As the field matures and new materials and techniques are developed, we can expect to see increasingly innovative and practical applications of 4D printing. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.